Son, I got sports mode. Son, I got sports mode. Son, come hold the camera real quick.
They say I was broke, now I'm making the money to come back and equal my losses. They mad I came up from the bottom and counting these hundreds, they don't see it often. Keep that metal on me like I'm golf. They mad, they don't see it often. Get my advance, ain't taking no loss.
It's your boy KVG and I'm back at it again with another video. Y'all already know what's going on, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe. Hold on, let me get a little light in here, man. Cause today is a special day, man. Y'all got to know about this day, you hear me? Y'all got to know about this day, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, man. We on the road to 1K, you feel me? We just hit 300 subscribers, you feel me? I would've gone ahead and boost me up to 400, you feel me? Cause we all the way lit on this channel, you feel me? I'm back and back to back to back bangers on y'all, man. Y'all already know what's going on, I'm saying? You hear me? But say though, man, today is a day I tell y'all something, man. You feel me? I've been wanting cars and stuff, you feel me? You feel me, bro? I guess my family pitched in to get me a new car. You feel me? A new car, son. A new car. I don't know what kind of car it is. You feel me? I don't know what kind of car it is. They said they was gonna have it in a few minutes, you feel me? I just got off the phone with my mama. My auntie done, you feel me? They said they were gonna have me a car ready by the time they come. So guess what, man, you guys, man. You feel me, man? But, dude, bro, when they get ready to come, say, dawg, I'ma hit y'all back up, you feel me? On gang squad, man. Let me reminisce a little bit. I know they did not just buy me this, man. Come on, son. I know they did not just buy me it.
What?
Hold on, son. Y'all, what in the break, son? Let me show y'all. I think y'all can see out there. Oh. Thank God. I got a rapper car. Man, I'm finna go outside. We finna see how lit it's finna be on gang. Say, man, we out the door, man. We finna check out my car. We finna check out my car. Say though. Well, I got a rapper car. I got a rapper car. Oh my God.
I wish I had.
Look at my baby.
All the girls want me.
Look at my baby. Get me on camera, man. Come get me on the camera, son. Come get me on the camera, son. Come get me on the camera, man. Oh, I got a rapper car. Get me on the camera, man.
I got you.
Get me on the camera, man. Go back a little bit, man.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Go back a little bit.
Oh, look at the car, boy. This man a swagged out boy.
Let's go.
Man,
Swag.
man, look, boy. Oh, hey, Jenny Bob. Whoa, these niggas ain't. Wait a minute. Hey, hold on, bro. Let them check out the car, son. Let them check out the car, son. Come on now, boy.
Yeah,
That man a raw boy.
Man. We really do this, man.
Come on, man.
Stop playing
Cashed
with me,
out,
man.
bro.
Yeah,
Cashed
man.
out.
Stop
Big
playing
raw
with me,
boy.
man. Real
Man,
talk,
this
son.
some boy. Wait a minute, son.
Real talk, son. We really do this. We really do this, man. Like, I wanna thank my mom. You hear me? I wanna thank everybody, man. I wanna thank everybody. Boy, if you don't get check out my car, son. Look at those rims. Start rims, son. I don't even know, bro. I'm just so thankful, man. I'm just so thankful. Dude.
I got sports mode, boy.
Son, I got sports mode. Son, I got sports mode. Come hold the camera real quick. Come hold the camera real quick.
Boy, you a raw boy, son.
Ooh, check me out. I look at him. Ooh.
Hold on. Oh, that boy look like young boy.
Ain't messing with me, man.
Man, nigga, police out behind you. You going straight to jail.
Boy, I'm going straight to jail. Hey, come get me out that kind of mom.
I got you, boy.
Come get me out that kind.
Yeah.
Man, we really raw out here, son.
Man, ain't lying,
We really
boy.
raw out here, son.
Man, police, son.
Bruh, a nigga ain't messing with us, you feel me?
Nigga not, bro.
Say, bruh.
Real talk.
Hey,
I'm
man.
not, bro.
off the flap, son. Nigga ain't messing with us. We really raw out here like that.
Unbelievable jump, boy.
We living like that, man.
Nigga
We
really
living
out
like
here
that.
Cast out,
Yeah,
boy.
son. Unbelievable, bro.
You know?
You just gotta get it, man. You just gotta get it, man. You just gotta pray. Stack and pray, son. You feel me? I'm on the way, son. I'm on the way. Hey, you gotta get me in that joker one more time, son.
I got you, son.
Get me in that joker one more
look,
time.
boy,
son.
I ain't lying. Niggas gonna be hating. You gotta get you an iron up in this
Niggas
mug,
gonna
boy.
be hating on me,
Niggas
man.
gonna be hating on
And I'm
you,
gonna
boy.
back them.
Yeah, you know, been on. Hold on, nigga look just like young boy up in that mug, boy. Oh, son. Man, niggas.
Nigga ain't messing
man,
with me,
nigga
son.
Is a
Nigga
raw
ain't messing
boy.
with me. Let me see that.
Nigga is a
Man,
raw
let me
boy.
show him what I got him on that dash, son. Look what I got on that dash, son. Yeah, you feel me?
When you put that mug in sports,
Oh
boy, you
my
got about
God.
1,000 on the dance.
Boy, I got, oh my God, son. Niggas ain't messing with me, son.
Man, this
Hey,
is unbelievable.
bruh, y'all don't hate on a nigga, you feel me?
Yeah,
Don't hate on a nigga, you feel me? We living like that,
Niggas gonna
son.
be hating, son.
We living like
Niggas
that.
gonna be
I'm
hating,
telling you.
boy. I already
We
know.
living like that, boy.
I already know.
Yeah. True flexer, you feel me?
Man, you already
Hey, man, I'm
know.
talking about I'm hitting the dash on that joker. Hey, man, tell your boys get behind me. I'm running now, yes, oh, we all the way retarded, man. Tell him, bro, how you feel about my car, son?
Man, son, I ain't lying, boy. I feel like you was a raw boy for getting this, son.
Man, I'm
This
telling you,
mug
man.
is hard, boy.
I'm telling you, man.
Oh, we ain't gotta ride the bus no more, man.
We ain't gotta ride that G-Wagon no more, son. We ain't gotta ride that G-Wagon no more, son. You feel me? Say, bro. Hey, man, I'm telling y'all. Don't hate on a nigga, you feel me? Because I'm gonna be burning dust all in your face, boy. You hear me? We going all the way out here with it, you feel me? I'm gonna go get some mods on the tires and stuff, you feel me? You feel me? I might change the color paint a little bit, you feel me? All the way around with it, you feel me? But man, tell him, man. But from this point on, we gonna get lit, bro. From this point on, we gonna get lit, bro. We got bangers, more bangers coming, man. Tell him, man.
On the way, bro.
On the way, bro. More bangers on the way, son.
Oh, yeah, I'm finna start me a YouTube channel.
Yeah, man. Y'all go follow him.
Yes, sir. BBG.LaJordan on YouTube.
BBG.LaJoy. I'm put his link in the description down below, man. You feel me? If y'all like this video, man, hit that like button, man. You feel me? Hit that subscribe button. Y'all go check his YouTube out, man. He's starting YouTube too, you feel me? Hey, say, is I'm gonna get lit.
Oh,
Gang.